welcome back to Roma's Kitchen. So I just got some mac and cheese in the mail, and I decided that I needed something as easy as mac and cheese, but because in Roma's Kitchen we do not do boring, I decided to put my own little twist to it and make some fancy mac and cheese. So if you want to see how fancy mac and cheese gets made, you know what to do. Stick around right after this intro.
Ticket you pay your pretty look, you want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So I have here one chicken thigh that I went ahead and cut into small bite-sized pieces and seasoned with salt and pepper. Right here I have some broccoli, some cauliflower, some sweet corn, and some carrot that I went ahead and cut in small cubes. Now I'll be frying the chicken thighs, but I also have here butter, I have macaroni and cheese, I have extra cheese, and I also have some sesame seeds. Now I'm going to steam my vegetables in the steamer for about 3 minutes max. You do not want to exceed 3 minutes because you need your vegetables nice and firm. Now after this, to a pot with boiling water, 6 cups of boiling water, I'll be adding the macaroni and a pinch of salt. I'll allow that to cook for 7 minutes. Then to a pot with, I'm going in with some olive oil. You can use the oil of your choice, and I'm just adding the bite-sized chicken thigh pieces, and I'm going to fry these for 4 minutes. And that is 2 minutes on each side because you don't want these really crispy, but you do need them cooked. And after the 4 minutes, this is what it looks like, not too crispy. And after the 7 minutes, this is what the macaroni looks like, nice and al dente. And I'm just going to strain this and add the rest of my ingredients. So to this, I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of milk, and you want to ensure that your stove is actually off right now, because this is still nice and hot. It will be able to melt the butter and so on. I'm now going to go in with 4 teaspoons of butter. Then I'll add my chicken thigh pieces, and of course I'll add my sweet corn and my vegetables that were steaming. And remember guys that at this point your stove should be off and everything is hot enough to get your butter melted and to get your cheese all combined with everything. So for the cheese part, it's totally up to you. I'm going to go in with 1 pack that came in the box, and I'm going to add an extra half from another box because I wanted it really cheesy. You can choose not to add an extra half, or you can get creative and add other grated cheese, but I have never seen cheese here before. So I'm adding some sesame seeds now. Remember, sesame seeds, they neither add to your flavor nor take away from your flavor, so just add them to get your dish looking really good. And we're just going to give this a nice stir to combine everything, and it's time to share. Look at how good this looks, guys. This will taste so good, I'm telling you. Also, if you have fruits such as pineapple, go ahead, get creative, add your pineapples. Now it's time for me to share. Now look at this, it is looking so good. I can't wait to eat this. And I've served this with some grapes and my mango carrot ginger drink. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that video. I'll put a link to that video somewhere here and also in the description box. And guys, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this and if this is something that you really try. Of course, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time.